This meeting is being recorded.
Let's take a look at problem 3 from chapter 16, and we're asked to rank the three carbon-carbon bonds in one butene in terms of bond length. So we're going to start with the shortest, and then we'll end with the longest bond length. So we have here one butene shown, and each of the four carbons identified, numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we would expect our carbon 1 to carbon 2 bond length to be the shortest because it includes both a sigma and a pi bond between these two carbons. So for that reason, we would say that it would be the shortest, this double bond between carbons 1 and 2. So that would be our shortest. In between, then, we would expect the bond between carbon 2 and carbon 3 to be shorter than that between carbon 3 and 4 because we have a carbon that is sp2 hybridized here. So this carbon's sp2, and this carbon here is sp3 hybridized. So when we have an overlap or a bond between an sp2 and an sp3 carbon, that would be our second in length. So it's longer than the carbon 1 to carbon 2, but it will be shorter than the last bond here, because we know that an sp3 hybridized orbital generates a larger bond length. So then our last carbons here, carbons 3 to carbon 4, will be our longest because they are both sp3 hybridized carbons. So this is our longest over here, and then this is our shortest.